So this was my plant collection from 6 months ago, sitting over here on this bookshelf, sitting on these heat mats, underneath these grow lights. I decided that I wanted to build an indoor greenhouse using the IKEA Milsbo glass display case. I did a ton of research on this build before I decided to make it, and I wanted to give my plants just a beautiful display case and the perfect conditions to thrive in. My apartment does not get a lot of natural light, so I really wanted to give them something that would work perfectly. Now be sure and pay close attention to the legs because I had to undo that part and redo it, and it was pretty frustrating. This montage makes it look like I just snapped this whole thing together in no time, but to complete this project took weeks. This is a 2.5-inch hole saw that I used. Be very patient, hold the drill steady. You have 2 layers of metal that you have to get through. I added this 2.5-inch cable management grommet and it fit perfectly. Be sure and give your dog a little smooch, and make sure you wait to put those little shelving brackets in until you're ready to put the shelves in. Shout out to my boy Humble Blades for this custom knife. So I use these Modern Aqua crystal clear acrylic shelf set. It's a custom set that Modern Aqua makes specifically for this project. I use 2 different types of weather stripping. It's sticky to seal everything shut. The Barina T5 grow lights work perfectly with the Modern Aqua shelves. These are the AC Infinity computer fans. I used the G Home smart plugs to control the lights, which is perfect. I can control it from my phone. I used cable management to hide all of the wires and run everything nice and neat through the cabinet so it would look super clean. You can see I have a heat mat down there, and I have fans on the bottom as well, and some cable management underneath the cabinet as well. And this is the final project. I've put the plants in, and they are so happy. I did have a humidifier in here, but I took it out after I realized that the cabinet retained high enough humidity. I put that digital hygrometer in that is designed to work with terrariums, and kind that you plug in work a lot better than the wireless ones. Here's what my plant collection is looking like 6 months later, and as you can see, I have a lot more plants and they are absolutely thriving in the greenhouse cabinet. Thank you so much for watching, and please follow along my plant journey for updates.